Today I'm going to review the SOG S67N PowerAssist multi-tool. Comes with a nylon case, Velcro closure on the front, and a belt clip on the back. The multi-tool from SOG called the PowerAssist uses hex bolt construction. Allows you to disassemble this product and put different blades inside if you want to, different tools inside. It also comes with patented compound leverage, which allows you to apply a lot more force to the items. You can see here a lock on the outside. It keeps the two blades that are accessible from the outside locked closed. Then when you open them up, they're also locked open, so that when you're using the blade, you don't want it to fold up on you. You can see both blades are spring assisted. They easily open up with a flick of the thumb. Here's one on the back side. One has a straight edge, and then this one has the serrated edge. Really handy in that you can quickly pull out the tool and get to a blade very fast. Once you open it up, you can see the needle nose pliers in the front here, and then at the bottom of that plier jaw there are cutters that you can use to cut wire, anything you really need to. Here I'm just demonstrating with a penny how easily it goes through a penny. It's really incredible. That's that patented compound leverage. Under the handle, you'll see a number of different items in here. There's a file, there's a couple of screwdrivers, bottle opener, etc. And all of these are accessible and easy to get to, and they all lock open. That's a great advantage here in that you're able to lock each item separately in the open position so it doesn't fold up on you. SOG multi-tools come with a lifetime warranty. You'll also see here the ruler. Allows you to easily measure something if you need to. You really can't go wrong with this tool. It's a fantastic product.